Hello, this is a quick little tutorial on how to use MetaChart, which is an online visualization creator. So on the MetaChart homepage, you're going to go down here to bar chart. That's what we're going to be using for our specific assignment. And you get a couple options here, and there's a couple tabs that we'll be using throughout this. So we're going to go with a vertical chart and a normal shape, okay? Next, you need to go over to the Data Input tab. From here, where it says Number of Items, we're going to put in here however many students we have, or trials that have been completed in the class. For sake of this demonstration, I am going to pick 5 since it's just a nice low number. As far as the series name, we're going to call this rocket height, or whatever you would like to label that, as long as it makes sense. For the section details here, this is where you're going to input the information off of our shared data sheet. So where it says name, it'll be the name of the person. So Jim, and we have Sally, and Bob, and Sam, and Jill. The value is going to be the number, and the number that we're going to be generating is going to be the maximum height that you were able to achieve using the rocket simulator. So I'm going to just lowball some values here. So 1,000, 1,050, 2,000, 3,000, and let's go with 2,500. There we go. Okay, next we need to go to the Labels tab. So if you follow that, the graph title, you'll give it an title, whatever you want to call it. We'll just write title in here now. As far as the y-axis goes, that's going to be height. Your units, we measured it in meters. That would be the small m. As far as the x-axis, we don't have to title that. You can change the font, the labels, however you would like to adjust that. Be my guest, okay? This is your graph that you're creating. And lastly, you can hit the display button. As you can see, there's our title, there's our meters, we have the different data sets. So once you have all of your data input, you'll be able to hit download. I would suggest changing this to a JPEG file, downloading it, and then from there you'll be able to open the JPEG, and this is going to be able to be then submitted to me through Schoology after you have completed your data set. Okay, hopefully this makes sense. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me by the methods I put in the overview page. Thank you very much.